The day is finally here. This has been such a long time coming. We have endured like lockdowns in Australia, lockdowns within the state, and then even at one stage we were locked down within the region where we couldn't drive too far from home. So to be here and doing this, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You know, this has been such a process of saving, timing everything right, and just making sure that all the little pieces come together nicely. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get this place going.
Yeah, you got to sweep this out. I can't put the tools in yet. Shut the front. Cool, you can hop down.
Dad has to drive now because Mum's getting a bit overwhelmed and seems to be driving into every single pothole she sees.
Alright, so we've just detoured into town. We've had to pick up a tool because we can't access ours till this afternoon. We didn't really think we should bring this type of tool on the aeroplane. It was probably not the best idea.
Now Dad's just going to clear the block so that the truck can come in tomorrow to deliver the timber for the tiny home. And he's going to use a knife to cut down all of these leaves. It's quite hot today, so I've got my hat on that says Vanuatu. But yeah, I think he's doing a good job. When Dad was dragging the tree, now he's just found a caterpillar.
It's pretty brightly coloured, hey?
It just pooped out a green thing.
Did it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. He thinks it's really heavy, so he's having a hard time.
Oh, I need a break. Lexi's going to have a go now. Legs, no point chopping the top of a tree, chop the base so that it falls down, then you drag the whole tree away. Try not to chop near your fingers, mate. There's no hospitals around here for miles and miles and miles. There we go, come on. Woohoo!
And Bonnie's just arrived. Cannot do it.
Can't see it. Oh, actually I can see a little scrape. Alright, I'll let you off this time. Have a break.
Bonnie is very tired and she's sleeping now.
Alright, so we're out on the block. You can see here, everything's pretty overgrown. It is hot, very humid, we're all sweating. The kids have all quit. They've all decided they've had enough. They want to go and jump in the pool. Poor Daisy's sweating, aren't you, darling? You sweaty? Yum. Sweaty kids. And then poor Dad is down here. Where's he gone?
working on the block with his big machete. And I want to walk through this where he's not done yet. So there's the path. It's very hard to find a path around here. So there's Dad thrashing away at all the vegetation that has overgrown. And he's got to be so careful because there's crabs in the grass. A couple of times we've looked down and they've just been hiding in here. Oh, poor Dad looks exhausted.
It's really hot.
It is very, very hot. Very humid, isn't it?
You guys have water?
Yeah, in the car.
In the car? Alright, Ivy, can you please run back to the car and go and get a bottle of water for Dad?
Okay, I'll run, Mum. Dad just found some crabs. We're gonna go see where they've gone. We found one. We found one. I found one.
Where?
No.
Where?
There. Daddy?
Bunny, look, another crab. Everywhere here. Alright, so we finally caught a little bit of a break. Our power's still not connected, so some local guys have come with a generator and they're going to help us get into this container finally.
Dad needs to cut this metal plate off. It was welded on to keep our stuff safe.
It's hot here. It's very hot.
Maybe not.
Yes. Oh.
Oh my god.
Can't wait all day. I think it's not going to work, eh? Just going to cut it.
It's turning a little bit. I might need more muscle. Don't snap the key. Well, if it has to be locked off, cut off anyway.
Nah, I think we're going to cut this.
Okay, kerana kamton. Kerana kamton.
Ada modem, ah?
Belum kerana. Cut.
Oh, they're still fresh. No rats.
Bit of spiders. Oh, stinky bit. Smells like paint.
Now we will go check the container because we've just opened the lock. So let's go explore that. Dad's just doing some hard work, but we've arrived at the container, so we'll check the block. Oops. So Bonnie, there's the fridge at the back. There's Dad's microwave. That's Dad's tiles. And the rest of the stuff I can't really explain because I don't know what it is. And lots of other things, his letter. I have just honestly been hiding to not do any work. And I've just been exploring. I went in the car to look after Daisy, and I've just been helping Dad.
Alright, just got back from shops. Wow, they've done heaps of clearing. We've been gone for a couple of hours though, but they've done so much. This is so cool. Wow, guys, you've done heaps.
We're going home, we're not doing any more today.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys have done amazing work.
My pumpkin's tiring me out.
Is it?
Found a pumpkin.
What else have you got there? Oh, Grace.
A big crab shell.
Wow.
You should see the snails, they're this big.
Yeah, I saw
Come
a
down,
snail
look.
earlier.
Yeah, go
Show me a snail, Ivy.
come
Oh,
show
you're
these
spilling your water.
Come show these monster snails.
What?
Just leave that stuff there.
I like
Drop it.
No, leave your stuff there and then we can come back, yeah?
They're huge, they're everywhere. This took ages. And then the neighbours had to come help too.
Oh, did they? Oh, that's nice of them.
They came with their knives.
They look thrilled.
Did they?
Yeah.
You look thrilled too.
I think their parents told them to come. And today is the hardest day of work I've done for a very long time. I mean, that kidney failure hospitalisation I had, that was only about 4 weeks ago. And I don't think I'm fully recovered from it yet.
You might want to
Oh, Gloria.
But they said it's okay, we're neighbours, we're meant to help. And I was like, okay.
Mum, you want to see
They did a
that?
lot, they really helped heaps here. They helped out a lot, man.
Wow, there's lots
Yeah, look
of
at these giant snails.
vegetation.
Hey, where did my
Where's
crab
these?
go?
Ew, oh my goodness me, they are giant.
They're everywhere.
Where did my
Oh,
crab
that's so
go?
gross.
Get off!
What? You got ants biting you? Where? Where?
She had a gecko on her.
It'll be an ant. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Look, there's a gecko right here. It's just been
It's fine, it's fine. Oh, they'll bite there. Where? Where? Which hand? Which finger?
Big middle finger.
Oh yeah, that's an ant. Oh, can you this? Just hold it. Just sit.
Yeah, ants really hurt. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have asked you.
Alright, let's go get some ice. Come on, big girl. It's okay.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.